What's up, guys? Welcome to another YouTube video. Today we're gonna be playing grown animal. What animal should I grow? Which two? Can I grab you, an elephant? And it's 63 strength, 18 strength. I'm very less strength. I'm a noob. Come here, monkey. Come over here, monkey. And got it. Need to bring it back to my zoo. I got a monkey. Let's go. I have to click on the monkey. It's now a monkey, the level 2. Now I have to upgrade my lasso. So I'm gonna upgrade my lasso. What should I buy? Thank you. I brought it to my zoo. Okay, time to look at my index. Okay, what animal should I get now to bring to my zoo? First, have to upgrade the zoo. Okay, got one. So, okay. I'm gonna join the group to get something really OP. The capybara. Last string 4. We'll get a penguin. To bring back to my zoo right now, I have to go very fast. Okay, I got a baby penguin. Let's go. Okay, now, what animal should I get? A cat, no. Oh, I have to level up my strength for these. Turn into a penguin. I'm gonna get a new lasso. I can't. But I'm gonna get some food then. The cat and monkey are breeding. Wow. Hatching their eggs. It'll take a long time. I can't believe I'm making enough of these animals. Okay, what about a Titan zebra? Come on, zebra, I'm gonna get you. And I got it. Okay, run back to my zone. Two zebras. Produce blood. Time to grow up, monkey. No, you were such an animal that I got. You rest in peace. You'll never be forgotten, monkey. I'm gonna upgrade the penguin now. And okay, I'm upgrading it. There's now a dead penguin. All of my animals except my giant wolf, cat, and zebra have grown up. In the bar, a new master finally. So to get all the money and these plants. These animals have monsters. They can't kill a lot. New cat. New cat. Can I get one more animal? Actually. What's going on? Huh? See my pets? Some of my pets are missing. So my penguin, my cat, my monkey, and ostrich. My wolf and zebra's missing. How could this happen? Anyways, time to catch this monkey. And gorilla. The capybara. Time to get a new animal. To get a hippo. Who's catching this animal? Who's catching these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, should I do? I'll get his. Oh my goodness! That's a lot of money.